How's it going, guys? In today's video, I want to talk about today's trade, which was EUR USD. I mean, that was one of the trades that I did, but I want to talk about EUR USD. So what happened today? Today's the 22nd of June, okay? Or June 22nd, right? What I did is I opened a trade on Friday at this point right here, this price point right here. I opened it at 114.274, and the strategy I used in this trade was a EMA crossover strategy. So what I'm using is an exponential moving average, and I'm using two. One's 21 and the other one's 9. What I did was I waited for a crossover from both averages, and as soon as I hit that crossover right here, I waited for a little bit of a trend line, and that's when I opened the trade, right? That was right here. So it happened more or less right here. And then I had a little trend going down. That's when I placed my selling position at my proportional lot size, etc., stuff like that, the things that I always talk about. And that was on Friday. So fast forward, we didn't have the market on Saturday or Sunday, but we had it today. There was a lot of movement today. We had a 0.3 of price movement, more or less. Okay, and that was in only one day. So as you can see, 0.3 in a 0.1 lot size is more or less ish $3. I have 2001, which is the send account of the challenge that we have, which is mirroring one of my accounts. Okay, because of those trades here, it's $3 each. I'm actually making a total of $6 in these trades. Like I said, very low amount here, but if I'm trading, for example, at a 0.10 lot size, that's $60 in one day. Okay, and the same thing if I want to have more and more than that. So let's go up here and let's find out USD. We have 317 and 340. Okay, which is all the trades. Actually, I have three. I don't have just one. I have three or two. I'm sorry. I don't have two. I have three. So in total, it's $9. All right. Or in this case, it's a send account, so it's even less. But it's pretty much mirroring what I do, right? So what I'm gonna close these trades. And I actually have a lot of positive trades here, so I'm gonna close pretty much everything. I have GBP NZD. Let's check the GBP NZD. GBP NZD did pretty good. Okay, so it's the same thing as well. Okay, moving average, crossing up, and I got 0.6%. Okay, same thing. Let's close that. As you can see, it's a pretty simple strategy. It's an EMA, okay, plus a trend. In a simple strategy like that, I can still be profitable. I don't have to have millions of indicators or a super complex hedge fund strategy, especially if I'm a retail trader. Okay, I try to make things a little bit more simplistic, and occasionally I do have some more complicated strategies. But again, the idea is to show that it's possible to be profitable with a simpler strategy. And now what I'm gonna do after that, it's a different strategy. I have a mix of strategies that I use. I'm gonna keep evaluating those to see which one fits better for the certain context as the time goes by. All right. And as of right now, this account's generated 23%. And in the month of July alone, it's already hitting 15%, which is a lot higher than I expect. I don't expect to make this much, but it's a good month for me. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked the video. Let's keep studying. Remember that this is not financial education. This is what I do with my money, and there are risks involved. You can lose everything with high risk investment. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.